Hi, this is Dinesh, practicing chartered accountant, founding partner of VKDS. We are established our firm in 2011 in Chennai. Presently, we are operating in 3 locations. We are specialized in corporate taxation and advisories, direct and indirect tax litigations, international taxation, and MNC advisory. We are using a Boombirds since 2019.
Before using Boombirds, we were fully dependent on spreadsheets to manage our entire operations, right from task assignment to tracking the ongoing and completed tasks, and whether the completed tasks have been invoiced. Even SOPs were managed through spreadsheets. This was manageable with a 6 to 7 member team. But eventually it became tough to handle as we started growing. We tried 4 to 5 different softwares, but could not find one that was both simple to use and a good fit for our operations. When I saw Boombirds, I felt it was a perfect fit to our requirements. We found that Boombirds has many automations and there was no need to enter manual time logs. Hence, we decided to go with Boombirds.
Our profession is fully driven by the due dates and compliance.
When we onboard a client, we should have clarity on the services we offer to the client.
In a Boombirds, there is a feature called recurring policy.
We can schedule recurring services such as GST filing, TDS, income tax, ROC filing, or RBI compliances to be delivered to the client based on their due dates. Boombirds will then automatically create the task before the due dates for execution.
Then there is a concept called dashboard.
The new tasks will appear in the management dashboard to be assigned to the respective employees. With this automation and team dashboards, we can ensure that all compliances are completed within the due dates. Among the many interesting features of Boombirds, the active task feature impressed me the most. Even if there are 30 to 40 employees with 5 to 10 tasks assigned for each in their dashboard, with just one click of a button, we get visibility on the particular task that each staff is working on. This allows us to reprioritize the task if required.
If it is not a prioritized task, we can ask them to just switch over to the next task. This is a super feature. Next, another one is a time log.
Another interesting feature is the automated time log. In our company, every employee downloads their daily time log from Boombirds and reviews their work before sharing it with their managers. This is also a very good feature. Boombirds is a simple tool. During onboarding, the Boombirds team helped us to configure 1 or 2 SOPs. We configured the remaining 40 to 50 SOPs ourselves. As for customer support, they're just a call away and they respond almost immediately. Our confidence level has increased after using Boombirds because we don't miss any due dates. Also, if there are any new amendments, we can easily adjust our SOPs. This has given a confidence boost to run our daily operations smoothly.
Automated time log.
Using the automated time log, we are able to track the time spent for every client without any manual effort.
No need to key in any manual time log.
In this profession, handling new amendments, notifications, circulars are the order of the day. For the same client and a similar turnover, we could have worked 40 hours last year.
Even 70-80 hours.
why we may be forced to spend 70 to 80 hours this year. Previously, we were unable to propose even a basic fee revision because of the lack of data. But with Boombirds, we can now generate client-specific timesheets, helping us in justifying the fees revision to our clients.
Helpful to have this fees revision part. Being its automated tool,
We have reduced our reporting overheads after using Boombirds. Automated timesheets and ticket creation have helped employees take more ownership of their tasks. I believe we have gained 20 to 30% more productivity in our operations. In our profession, quality takes precedence over quantity. Our basic ethic is to deliver quality service to our clients. With changes happening every day, Boombirds helps us to ensure that we comply to our delivery standards. This gives us the peace of mind and the assurance that we have done a good job.
Boombirds actually it's very much helpful to us.
Our clients believe in us to take care of all their compliances. Our primary job is to ensure that we are fulfilling our promise within the due dates. This is always at the back of our minds. With Boombirds automation and dashboards, we get the much needed peace of mind as we are confident to fulfill our promise. Boombirds has been very helpful by giving us the mind space and extra time to focus on growing our business, like adding new consulting services, opening new branches, and expanding the existing business.
We are using a Boombird since 2019. After 6 years of our experience, we would definitely give a Boombirds 10 out of 10.
Boombirds has been extremely supportive in fulfilling our promise to clients. So, I would definitely recommend Boombirds to my friends and juniors. Every day, we are busy chasing due dates and deadlines. Our struggle to find extra time will continue if we don't digitally transform and automate our operations. At least now, we should take some steps to upgrade. In my experience, digitalization has given a different dimension to our day-to-day life and the much-needed extra bandwidth to spend more time with family and think about business expansions.
Day-to-day operations. So try to digitalize as soon as possible.